Welcome to ChangerView, a special new efficiency tool that's going to help you save time and money at your business. ChangerView is a data collection system intended specifically for change machines at self-serve coin laundries and car washes. It can connect up to 4 change machines and keep track of their usage and in-service or out-of-order status. ChangerView eavesdrops on changer activity. It does not affect their operation. The ChangerView unit also has 6 connection points for general inputs to monitor other equipment of your choosing. Nearly any change machine can be installed as either an MDB type or a pulse type machine. In general, most newer change machines using 24-volt bill acceptors are MDB type. Machines using 110-volt bill acceptors are usually pulse type. A basic ChangerView unit comes with one input board for either 2 MDB or 2 pulse changers to be installed. A second input board can be added, giving the possibility for up to 4 monitored change machines per ChangerView control unit. You can have up to 4 pulse changers, up to 4 MDB changers, or up to 2 of each type per ChangerView unit. If your site is so large that you need more connections, then a second or third ChangerView unit may be needed. Detailed connections for most change machines are found in the user manual. Each of these 6 inputs is totally independent from each other. They can accept from 5 volts up to 110 volt circuits, each in AC or DC when your circuit is supplying the voltage source. ChangerView can also supply 5 volts DC for your external circuit if needed. These inputs have 6 defined usage methods: a door opening alert with a 15-second time window to cancel, count by 1, counting quarters, closed external circuit is normal, open external circuit is normal, and not used. Possible uses are a door alert, monitoring low water temperature, monitoring low liquid tank level, as well as counting almost anything. ChangerView also has 2 relay contact outputs which can switch any external low-power device on or off, such as room lights or siren, or activate an electric door lock, or give change machine refunds in some cases. More details can be found in the user manual. ChangerView can connect to your location's internet through your router and send email alerts to your chosen email addresses, alerting you about what is happening at your business. An alert email report is sent when a change machine goes out of order, or if a change machine has reached a low coin level, which you set up, but is still in service. This gives you the opportunity to get to the site if needed before the machine in question goes out as being empty. If any of the general inputs change state, an alert email will be sent to you. Email reports can also be generated on demand with buttons on the display screen and circuit board. A status email report is a snapshot view of all of your connections shown on the display screen at the time it is generated. An audit report is intended to act as a collection receipt when the changers are filled and serviced. More details can be found in the user manual, available at buildchangers.com/ChangerView. Everything I've just described are basic functions of the ChangerView control unit. A very exciting optional feature is to view and control your ChangerView unit remotely, either from a PC, Mac, or most smartphones. RealVNC is an optional paid subscription service you may sign up for to use with your ChangerView units. It allows you to see and control the unit just as you would if you were standing in front of it. This lets you see the status of anything connected to your ChangerView system in real time. You can also activate any of the menu buttons remotely to generate a report on demand, or maybe even give a refund out of a changer. Here we are using our RealVNC service to control the ChangerView output relays. In this case, we would be giving a refund from the changer.
Hi, I'm Scott from Suncoast Changer Service. Please visit us at our website for more details about this great new product, and call today to order your ChangerView system and start saving your time and money.